Everything explained in this video is summarized from the CoinMarketCap. And also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for future XRP news and some other cryptocurrency news in general. Now take a look at this. US SEC closed door meeting implications for Ripple Binance crypto market. According to sources, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission SEC may hold a critical meeting to consider important concerns. These concerns include the institution and settlement of injunctions and administrative proceedings, as well as the resolution of lawsuit claims and enforcement proceedings. The back-to-back meetings have spurred conjecture about the ramifications for Ripple, Binance, and the cryptocurrency market. SEC closed door meeting creates buzz in the cryptocurrency community. The US SEC recently had a closed door meeting on Thursday, July 11, as part of its routine to discuss critical issues for the agency. However, another meeting slated for next week, June 18, has raised interest in the crypto world, particularly in light of the recent Binance case judgment and a big pending ruling in the Ripple versus SEC litigation. The back-to-back meeting sparked discussion about the impact on Binance, Ripple, and the cryptocurrency market. The conference is expected to focus on either resolving injunction claims or settling with Ripple. Market participants are eagerly monitoring developments and waiting for the meeting's outcome. The SEC meeting on July 18 will be attended by commissioners, counsel to the commissioners, the secretary to the commission, and recording secretaries. The SEC closed-door meeting covers the following topics. Even though the majority of the arguments were heard, Binance emerged victorious. The SEC failed to prove that BNB's secondary sales constituted securities, resulting in legal support for Coinbase and Ripple. Coinbase and Ripple Labs are utilizing the decision to question the USS's regulatory stance on cryptocurrency. As the crypto industry awaits Judge Torres' final decision on penalties and injunctions, Ripple looks at the anniversary of the momentous summary judgment. Meanwhile, CoinPay reports that lawyers and Ripple officials do not expect there will be a settlement with the SEC. The price of XRP has risen 18 this week as lawyers, including Fred Rispoli, believe that the verdict will be issued this month. The Ripple versus SEC litigation is about to come to a major turning point. Judge Annalisa Torres is due to issue a final decision, and the outcome could send shockwaves across the cryptocurrency community. Will XRP reach new heights, or will this be a significant setback for the currency? Experts and investors are anxious to find out. Dive deeper to learn more about the possible outcomes and what they may imply for the future of XRP. There is no settlement in sight given Ripple's track record of court triumphs. Legal experts believe a settlement with the SEC is unlikely. Notably, on July 13, 2023, Judge Torres determined that XRP is not a security. This momentous ruling resulted in a stunning 100 increase in XRP's price within hours. Bill Morgan, a pro-XRP attorney, stressed that Ripple's recent achievements, notably a major order classifying programmatic XRP sales as non-securities, support their position. He also expects Judge Torres' decision on secondary sales to stand, especially given recent verdicts in other high-profile cases. The case's current focus is on the potential financial penalties Ripple may incur. The SEC claims Ripple sold XRP to specific institutions without proper registration. Ripple claims the transactions were genuine and has recommended a $10 million fine. In response, the SEC decreased the original fine demand from $2 billion to $102. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Chief Legal Officer Stuart Alderoty have both expressed their views on the topic. Garlinghouse praised the day as very good for Ripple and the broader crypto business, calling the SEC's activities an illegal assault on the sector. July 13, 2023 was a great day for Ripple and the entire industry. And for me, it is a core memory. We dared to confront the bully who had harassed and waged an illegal attack on our industry. As I stated when it began, I knew we were on the Brad Garlinghouse, July 12, 2024, Alderoty emphasized that the summary ruling represents a watershed moment, reaffirming that XRP is not a security and underlining the CC's overreach. He also highlighted concerns about SEC Chair Gary Gensler's strategy, implying that the agency's efforts to trap Ripple in lengthy legal fights are failing. When will the ruling arrive? As the anniversary of the summary judgment approaches, legal analyst Free Rispoli predicts a small 5% possibility that Judge Torres will rule on that same date. He thinks that if a decision is forthcoming, it will be announced late in the morning or early afternoon. Nonetheless, Rispoli is optimistic that a decision will be reached before the end of the month. Looking at the XRP's recent performance, it has had a stunning rally, recently reclaiming the 50 cents mark following a more than 17 spike this week. When prices fell below 40 cents, investors acted quickly to buy the dip, resulting in increased trading activity. Garlinghouse reaffirmed a remark that he has made numerous times since the beginning of the litigation, which was that Ripple was on the right side of the law and history. Yeah, as I said when it started, I knew we were on the right side of the law and that we would be on the right side of history, using phrases such as failed lawsuits, misleading rhetoric, slander, and intimidation. The CEO of Ripple expressed his disapproval of the Securities and Exchange Commission's exec efforts to restrict the cryptocurrency industry. He stated that the sexist tactics continue to be inappropriate, noting they were wrong then. They are now in the wrong as well. Important decision about XRP. The Supreme Court issued a ruling on July 13, 2023, stating categorically that XRP in and of itself does not constitute a security. Shortly after the decision was reached, several cryptocurrency exchanges, including Coinbase, Kraken, and Bitstamp, made XRP accessible for trading on their platforms in the United States. As a result, XRP gained traction in terms of both price and volume. The following is a list of the most important things to learn from the decision of the court. In and of itself, XRP does not qualify as a security. It was determined that Ripple sales of XRP on exchanges and by executives, as well as a wide variety of other Ripple's XRP distributions to developers, charities, and employees, did not constitute securities. Yes, some of Ripple's institutional sales were considered investment contracts, and as a result, they were classified as securities. Noting that the SEC's beliefs regarding this may contradict its enforcement in past digital asset cases, the court found against Ripple on its fair notice defense for institutional sales exclusively. However, the court did not decide against Ripple on its fair notice defense for the other types of transactions that were at issue in the case. The case that the United States Securities and Exchange Commission was pursuing against Ripple Labs resulted in a decision that was considered to be historic on July 13, 2023. When it comes to being sold on public exchanges, the XRP coin is not considered to be a security, according to the ruling. There were repercussions for the Bitcoin industry and the regulatory environment in the United States over this ruling. A precedent was established for the classification of cryptocurrencies as a result of the verdict, which meant that the blockchain-based digital payment network achieved a significant triumph. It was in December 2020 when the Securities and Exchange Commission initially initiated legal action against Ripple, saying that the company had engaged in an unregistered securities offering by selling XRP tokens. Ripple, on the other hand, contended that XRP ought to be regarded as a currency rather than a security, and after a protracted legal struggle, the information that has been provided is not intended to be trading advice. There is no responsibility for any investments that are made based on the information that is provided on this page. Before making any decision about investments, we strongly advise conducting independent research and have consulting with a knowledgeable professional.